Yeah, so if you're thinking like the QX80 Sport was a little disappointing. I mean, it was basically a blackout package, and that was it. And compared to the Nismo Armada, it's like come on, this is why is the Infinity? This is all we get. This is all we get is some new wheels and blacked out chrome. Well, guess what? Check this out. This is the R spec QX80. You can see this thing's been slammed. The full body kit and basically everything has been upgraded. And how about a GTR engine? And no, it's not even stock. That wouldn't even be good enough, would it? They put on some huge turbos and basically upgraded everything. They say somewhere around 1,000 horsepower. And yeah, they finished it off in this midnight purple color as well. And the wheels, yeah, these things are huge. 315, 35, 24s with carbon ceramic brakes as well. And unlike on the Nismo Armada, the one thing everybody complained about is like, where is that fat exhaust tip at? Right? How's there no exhaust on this Nismo? Well, guess what? They didn't make the same mistake on this QX80 R spec. Check this out. Check this out. You got some huge quad tips here. Blue flames are going to be shooting out of this thing. And look at the stance. This is no sport model. This is an R spec.